Imagine trying to send a message without knowing if it was received, understood, or rejected. In the digital world, HTTP status codes are the answers to that uncertainty, the language that servers and clients use to communicate clarity, success, or problems. At the core of every web request, an HTTP status code acts like a traffic signal, guiding the journey from your browser or API call to a destination on the internet. But what do these numbers really mean? And how can understanding them transform the way you develop, debug, and deploy applications? Let's start with the basics. HTTP status codes come in 5 distinct categories, each telling a unique part of the story. The 1-to-XX codes, informational. These are rare in day-to-day development, signaling that a request is being processed, like a quiet nod from the server saying, "I'm working on it." 2XX codes, success. The most well-known is 200 OK. This is the green light. Your request was accepted, understood, and fulfilled. For APIs, a 201 created signals a resource just made reality. 204 no content means action succeeded, but there's nothing more to say. 3XX codes, redirection. These codes reroute the client to a new location. 301 moved permanently, and 302 found are among the most common. They tell browsers and applications where to look next, ensuring smooth navigation or seamless API evolution. 4XX codes, client errors. Here's where problems often start. A 400 bad request? The server couldn't understand what was sent. 401 unauthorized, and 403 forbidden highlights security boundaries. The infamous 404 not found signals something missing, a broken link, a mistyped URL, or a retired endpoint. 5XX codes, server errors. When things break behind the scenes, servers reply with codes like 500 internal server error or 502 bad gateway. These tell you, as the developer, that it's not your request, it's the server's problem. But knowing these codes helps zero in on what needs fixing. In practice, recognizing and interpreting these codes streamlines troubleshooting and improves user experiences. Picture investigating a bug. A 401 may point to missing authentication, while a 503 signals that the service just isn't ready yet. To embrace HTTP status codes is to speak the essential language of the web. Next time you see one, view it as a message, a clue from your application, not a roadblock, but a roadmap. Mastering these codes turns frustrating errors into manageable tasks and confusing responses into clear directions, empowering you to build, debug, and deliver with confidence. This knowledge isn't just technical, it's transformative.